Don't judge me. Thank you. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different, okay? And if you're wondering, this look looks familiar. Did she just change her shirt? Indeed, I did. Yes, I did. I'm going to expose myself. There is actually a video on this look and it's gonna pop up right here, the little eye. It's a chit chat, get ready with me. So I did this look already, just so you're aware. And in the words of the great philosopher Debrat, and due to the content, I suggest you like this. Also be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm gonna plug in my Instagram. Yes, I will continue to do it, okay? My Instagram username is Youkeyy _YOUKEYY_. All right, so in today's video, we are actually going to be cleaning my makeup desk. And I know you're probably thinking, girl, it's just a desk. It's not that serious. No, trust me, it is that serious. I must confess, and I'm going to actually expose myself today. It is a horrible mess, okay? And I needed a better system, a better organizational pattern, okay, in order for this to work. I'm just going to let it be known now, I'm not someone who's comfortable being messy. I'm actually not a messy person. I know every messy person says that, but no, seriously, I'm not a messy person. I really just, when it comes to makeup, I don't know what happens. I just lose my specificity with cleanliness. There's just stuff everywhere, like there's really no space, and I wanted something that was more organized. I wanted something that would just make more sense, if you get what I mean. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you what my makeup and filming desk actually looks like. Do not judge me, don't judge me. All right, this is my very messy makeup table and desk. As you can tell, it is very disorganized. There was no form of structure whatsoever, no acrylics, no organizers, nothing like that. As I mentioned, do not judge me because God is watching you in 4K. Thank you very much. So I'm just giving you different angles, different views of what it looks like. And as you can tell, it's very disorganized and messy from all angles. No angle makes it any better. And there I am. It is I, she is me, I is she. I do have everything that I purchased from Amazon down below in the description box. Ooh, how do you like that overhead shot? Yes, baby, she is a content creator. I'm putting everything into a box that I have on the floor. You can probably see it from some of the angles there. And I just want to clear everything out so I can have a nice clean slate. If you're wondering what that shiny box is, it is actually what I now use as my reflector. It was part of a PR package from a brand, I can't remember which one, but I found it's actually way more reflective than the previous DIY reflector I was using. These rotating bamboo brush holders are actually from Amazon. I have the link down below just so you know. I actually saw this initially on Youkeyy Raji's page. I can't remember if it was her Instagram or her YouTube, but I wanted to initially spray paint them white, but I just went against it because I was like, you know what, I don't want to mess anything up. So we'll just leave it the way it is. This white vanity countertop situation that you're looking at is also from Amazon. And as you can tell, I'm fidgeting with it because I had to put the crystal holders on there myself. Oof, it was hard. I had to get a screwdriver, a whole screwdriver. The bamboo brush holders seem to be good quality so far. However, the white vanity situation is a little bit on the cheap side, and I noticed due to the material it's made out of and also trying to open and close the little drawers that come with it, as well as the fact that there was like a mark on the side of one of the trays that opens out. So I don't know what that's from. Obviously it's a manufacturer issue, but it's too late to return it now, so I'm just gonna have to deal. Thank God it's on the inside and you can't see it though. While putting this together, I did change my mind a few times as to what would go where, but for the most part, everything is pretty consistent. I kept my most used items on this vanity tray. I keep calling it that, but I'm pretty sure that's not the name. I'm pretty sure. But everything I have on there is stuff that I would normally reach for or stuff that I would like to reach for more frequently. In my studio/office, I do have a different section where I keep all of my makeup in a large system. It's actually not an IKEA system. It's like from Walmart. It's supposed to be an office organization thing. Anyway, you'll see that I pull out this tray of eyeliners. It's actually not a tray. I repurpose a lot of my PR packages, so that's what this is. I actually kept all of my eyeliners in this little box. I wanted all of them to be visible and on my desk as opposed to tucked away where I can't see them. This is actually a hospital cup that I spray painted. Again, don't judge me, okay? I'm the repurposing queen, baby. The eyeliners were sitting too low, so I decided to bring these crystal decorative things that I got from Ross a long time ago, and I just put them in that. I'm sure this would have looked more aesthetically pleasing if it was maybe an acrylic brush holder or cup or whatever, but I just decided to do this just to elevate the eyeliners so they're not all sinking down and I can't visibly see the colors. Here I am cleaning some of my brushes. Did not clean all of them. That's totally okay. That's all right. I'll get to the rest of them later. And I do have 2 different brush cleaning videos on my channel, so be sure to check those out. Product, you guys. I've got everything nice and pretty and just organized. I know the vanity area is a little bit overwhelming, but as long as it makes sense to me and I can easily reach for stuff and I know where everything goes, that's what matters to me. It doesn't have to be super visually pleasing as of yet. We'll get to that later though, if we, decide to spruce this up some more later on down the line. My foundations in one area, my setting sprays in one area, my setting powders in one area, my concealers are all in the corner on the top right area, and I also have my highlighters in one section. So I got a little system going on or whatever. I mean, it's not super organized, but it's a lot better than what I had previously. That you enjoyed it. I actually don't even know what the desk looks like. By the time I'm editing this, I will know. But as I'm speaking right now, you actually know what it looks like and I don't. Ooh. If you have any organizational, cleaning, or just makeup storage tips for me, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. If you are not subscribed, be sure to do so, and also make sure you have all notifications checked off. Hit that bell, all the good stuff, all the nice things, all the things. And that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me once again. I love you, and I do hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Let me sing.